Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's date is 21st of January 2025, Tuesday trading session. So what trades we have taken here and analysis of Nifty, how it performed. We're going to discuss everything. Okay. So first I want to show you the positions of what profit and loss we have made. So today we have made a profit of total 50,827 rupees. Okay. So I have taken trades in three different strike prices. So I'll go through every trades that I have taken. Okay, I'll go through and explain every trades. So at first, let's see how the market performed. Okay, so first I'm going to open the trading view, and this is Nifty. Okay, Nifty 5 minute chart. Nifty 5 minute chart. So as you can see here, the market was, we can say that market was mostly downtrending. Okay, it moved gap up at here. Okay, opened gap up, came down, went up pretty fast, came down pretty fast again, and then it closed negative. Okay, so this was basically how the market performed. It was full trending. First it was downtrending for few minutes. It was up, and again it was downtrending again. This is downtrending. Try made some retracement, but again the market moved down. Okay. Interesting point that you can see here is at this point, right? So market taking support here has made a huge up move at this place at around 11:45. This was the very big candle, and just few minutes later it came pretty down. Okay, so this was like a V-shaped recovery type. This kind of market movements you don't get quite to see. Okay, these are very rare. These are very uncommon market movements. So we can say that today market was full of volatility. Okay, trending but with some kind of volatility, right? So this was how the market performed. First, it was a very big downswing. Okay, here also a lot of selling was done here at this point, this point, this point. Okay, a lot of who shorted, okay, who took on the sell side has made a lot of money. Here it was a bit of consolidation and a very big move right here. Okay, this candle you see, it moved like from this, it is like 23,200 to 23,400. 200 points move in just 5 minutes. So this kind of movement you see it very less in on an intraday basis. Okay, if 200 points in 5 minutes, 200 points in a whole entire day is a very good move. Okay, of Nifty, but to see that in 5 minutes, it was a very like uncommon day, you can say. Okay, so this is the Nifty chart. So at first I'm gonna talk with you how the first trade I have taken. Okay, this is the first trade, 75 quantity, right? If I go to the positions, this the first trade. Okay, 75 quantity I have taken. Okay, my regular quantity is 1275. I have taken only 75 here because only to ride the trend. Okay, I have taken this at 1017. So if I go to the Nifty chart again, 1017 is this candle. Okay, so if you see, market has already moved quite down. Okay, it has already moved quite down, and to get a good shorting position, I didn't get any of these opportunities here. Okay, any of the opportunities here. It went a bit up directly, or went down and couldn't get good opportunities. Even if there had been some nice retracements, like it went down a bit, up again, and then down, then I could have got something. Okay, but you can see this, the market holded a bit here. If at this point it moved a bit up and started to come down, then I could have taken a trade. But all these positions, all these places, I haven't got a good uh, opportunity to short the market. That is why I have not taken at this point. Okay, this candle at 1017, I have taken 75 points only to ride the trend. Why? Because you see, this is the support line of 23,000 250, right? You can see 23,250. Market came down. Okay, it tried, it took support at here, right? Took support at here, tried to go up, couldn't, it came down. That is why I got the impression that market is gonna go more down. I was not expecting that market will come to this point. Okay, I will go, I thought it will come a bit more down, so that is why I took it only 75 quantity just to ride the trend. Okay, and here I got very good, very good movement. If I open it here on the charts, let me see, 23,450 PE. Okay, I'm opening it on the chart. 1 minute, and I've exited at 10:30. Okay, 10:30. Just holded it for 13 minutes. I got around more than 60 points. Okay, 65 points around. Okay, so if you see here, this is the one. Okay, 10:17. I got it around 275, right? If you see 275, I got it around here, 275, and just the immediate candle, it went very up, very good move from 280 to 352. Okay, 70 points move in 5 minutes was a very big number. Okay, if I've taken my whole quantity like 20, like 1275, I would have easily got 70 to 80,000 rupees. Okay, but since the market has gone way up, like these prices have gone way up, I haven't got any positions. Okay, if the price had at this point also it had touched 9 EMA, then I could have got some good points. Okay, but okay, then I was, I expected like 30 to 40 points. I got 60 points, 60 to 65. So it was good. So here I exited the trade because I wasn't expecting, because market doesn't go, always down and down and down. It comes down, takes some retracement, hold a bit, then go down again. Market does that. Market doesn't always move down and down in a straight line manner. Okay, so that is why I exited that. Next, I took 250, sorry, 525 quantity at 227. This one at 1057. Okay, let's see in which place I took it. 1057 means 10, this one. Okay, 1057 means this candle is still 1055 to 11. Okay, so since market was in a down move, so after this down move, it took a retracement and tried to come down. Okay, this candle was the confirmation that market has gone, retracement has happened and it's going to come down. That is why I have taken this trade. I I waited for few moments, not immediately taken at 10:55, waited for 2 minutes more, got some confirmation, and then, you know, I took the trade, right? So this is 10, this is 10:57, right? But since I was 2 minutes late, the market wasn't quite moving, it wasn't quite moving down. Okay, so that's why at one point it reached to 227. Oh, sorry, 216 or something, and then it came up. So that is why I exited. Like this one was like 7 quantity or something. I exited almost all the quantity, and I was left with only one lot. Okay, this one lot. I waited for few minutes, but it didn't move as well, so I exited this. Okay, exited this also. I wasn't quite confident in this trade because maybe I was in the mood of, like the market won't go down much already since of this down move, so that is why market might consolidate and move up, which actually exactly which happened here. Okay, right? Again, so this was the second trade. Okay, this was 23,350 put. If I go to the positions tab, this one. Okay, this is 525. I've taken another 300 quantity. I'm going to discuss it right now. Okay, again I go to the orders tab. You see, this is the 300 quantity. I've taken at 11:29 and exited at 11:32. Okay, 11:29 means 11:25. This one, right? This one. Okay, means this quantity. Okay, so market you see here, it market. This is the retracement part. Okay, this is the retracement part. It was pending. It happened. First time market faced rejection here. It went down, tried to come up. Second time it made rejection here. Okay, and third time also it made rejection from the 9 EMA. Okay, so since three times rejection was there, that is why I took a chance, I took a trade at this point, okay? At this point that it might go come down, okay? Come down and continue its down move, okay? But but the market decided to do otherwise, okay? So that is why, since this is not a very high probability, so that is why I have taken only 300 quantity, only 300 quantity. This is the 300 quantity, which is just one-fourth of my whole quantity, that is 1275. Okay, since the probability of here market coming down was less, so that is why I took a chance with smaller quantity, but it didn't perform, it moved up. That is why I had to face losses of 24 points. Okay, generally my stop loss is 10 to 15 points, so I would have got out at 235 or 230, but I had to incur 8 points around more. Okay, so 24 points was the you said uh, the stop loss that I got. Okay, so next thing is the next, uh, which is the trade that saved my day. Okay, was this is 1275. Okay, this is I took at 11:45:18. Now the rationing behind the trade is, if you see here, this is the support line, right? This is the support line. The market first took support, it went up, came down, couldn't test this, went up, came down again, couldn't test this area, and like from at this point it moved pretty up. Okay, now this was not the only rationing behind taking this trade. Now when market suppose tries to go up, it doesn't go up in a quite v-shaped manner. Okay, this is, it came down and again it went up in a v-shaped manner. So it comes down, tries to go up, face some resistance, it goes up again, and then after few times of trying, finally it goes up, right? So here first time it tried, came down, second time it tried, came down, third time, and at the fourth time the market went this much up. Okay, so since at this point, all the times that market faced resistance, it broke their lows. Okay, it went up, this one broke the low, it went up again, this one broke this low. Okay, came down, broke this low. So but at this time when the market came down, you can see this pin bar candle, it couldn't come near this zone. Okay, near this zone, and at this point it went up. So here we got the confirmation that market is gonna go up. We are not expecting this much of, we are not expecting this much of a very big move. Okay, we expected small move, like it will go up. We expected this move, but we never expected that it will move just in a space of 5 minutes, right? So so here I got the confirmation at 11:45. Okay, I was like, you say 11:45, 18 seconds. Okay, my entry got late by 18 seconds. So here I panicked a bit. Okay, so if I open this chart now, this is okay, not this one. Let's say this is, I'm opening this. You can see here, this is the candle. This is the candle. Okay, this is the candle. The candle opened at 254, right? 254, and I got my entry at 260. This one, 262, right? So since I was already late by 18 seconds and I had bought at like few points premium, okay, few points expensive. So here my psychology got a bit stuck, okay, that like I already taken a few points expensive, and like the market, if you see in just 21 seconds, this is 11:41:18 and 11:45, sorry, 11:45:18 and 11:45:39, okay, I exited almost more than half the quantity, 750, okay. You can see here in just 21 seconds the premium moved around 40 points, okay. Premium move around 40 points. If you see this whole candle moved more than 100 points, right? So a candle moving more than 100 points again is very unlikely, okay. So mostly what happens, if also a big candle happens, it mostly moves the 30-40 points in a 5 minute, 5 minute candle, okay. 100 points move in just 5 minutes is very rare. So based on historical, uh, based on my historical experience, uh, 30-40 points in a candle is a very good move, okay. So that is why when this candle moved 30 points, 40 points, okay, I exited this half of the quantity, right? I exited half of the quantity. Okay. So, and then few seconds later, the market was stuck between 300. So there I exited another 375. Okay, another 375 quantity. And afterwards, I just let this 150 quantity, just two lots to, just move. Let's see how it goes. But my target at the back of my mind was 50,000. Okay, this is the 50,000. So when I saw the 50,000 touching, I exited the rest of the two quantities and closed my day at 11:46. Okay, so that was my day. If you see what happened after that, 246. So 246 is mostly this candle. Okay, this candle. So afterwards, market, it faced resistance here and it came down pretty sharply. Okay, this is like the V shape, which I discussed just a bit earlier. V shape. So this is like full volatility right here, and then market tried to go up again, came down again, went up again, another V shape, and then afterwards it faced. There was no participation, so it faced selling, and then it came down. Okay, so this was the day, and this were my trades where I was able to book 50,000 for the day. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.